Hey guys, today I'm just gonna play with makeup, really. I have a few products that I really want to use, you know, just that I have in mind. I was just thinking last night, you know, it's not often I get to play with what I want because I'm always doing kind of like a series or a project pan or, you know, something like that. So I thought today, I'm just gonna sit down and play with makeup. I'm gonna prime my eyes with the P. Louise base in Aroma 01. I'm really like, backed up, I guess, in my throat. No, not downstairs. It's really hard to talk, like, I'm congested, I guess. So if I don't talk much today, I'm fine. I'm in a really good mood. Talking is difficult right now because it's like, I'm choking, you know? Sorry, I know that's big gross. Anyway, on my brows today, I have the Anastasia Dip Brow, the Anastasia Brow Wiz, the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and also the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Anastasia is bringing out a brow pen, which I'm so excited about. Can't wait for it to come to Sephora. So yeah, whenever that comes to Sephora, you guys should be seeing a review. So keep an eye out. Alright. So the look I have in mind today is an orange base with a blue cut crease. Hopefully it works. So today I'm going to take the Jacqueline X Morphe palette, and I feel like I'm going to start with I think we might take the Positivity, this on here. It's like a kind of like corally orangey shade, you know? Something a little bit more soft. It's really, really pretty. Alright, so we're going into the Positivity shade. I'm just putting that like all over. It kind of came out more pink. No, I guess it's quite what it looks like in the palette, you know? It is quite like only a tinge of orange, you know? So I'm not mad. So I'm just gonna put it on like this and then I'll blend it in a minute. Alright. I'll rinse my brush. What do you call it? I'll take the peeling off. And I'm gonna use that to just really buff this out. Right. Next, I'm gonna take the shade next to that. It's like a really vibrant orange. It's called My Man. This palette is so beautiful, honestly. I'm curious to know, like, do you like Jacqueline or not? I feel like she's always in, like, I feel like people don't have a very good opinion of her, but like I just never see her out. Like, it seems like she's just kind of like always sticks to herself, and I don't know, to me she's not very public. I don't know of any like past scandals or anything, because I feel like her time, or like, you know, when she was like, she's been around for a while is what I'm trying to say, and I kind of only started following, or I don't even really follow it, but I only started like obviously getting into the beauty community like 3 years ago, you know? And even now I barely know what's going on half the time, because that's not why I'm here. I couldn't care less about who's fighting with who or who said what to who, you know? Like, I kind of when I like discovered YouTube, I was like, oh my god, this is a place where like I don't have to be surrounded by drama. I'm just gonna be here happy making my videos. And then I realized that YouTube can be just as bad as high school, if not worse. But honestly, I feel like the beauty community has a really bad name, but like, it's only because we put the spotlight on those who are in the drama. Do you know what I mean? There's so many people who've never had scandals, never been in the drama, who are amazing and have so much talent, and they're just not as big because they haven't been in the drama, so no one knows who they are. Do you know what I mean? Not no one, but you know what I mean. It just sucks because I feel like we put like, oh, like, you know, everything's about drama, why is it always about drama, blah 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 blah. And then as soon as there's drama, it's like everyone hops to it, you know? Now I just need to make sure, like, I might take a little bit of the shade called Feeling Myself, which is this orange down here, just to make sure we got the right shade of orange. But yeah, I don't know, I just feel like it's honestly only what you make it, because if we didn't give a platform, or if we didn't follow, you know, because the thing is, people are only as big as what you make them, if you know what I mean. If everyone stopped following the people that create the drama, no one would know about it anymore, do you know what I mean? But it's like, I feel so bad because I see people like Raw Beauty Christy, Bailey Sarian, Shenexo, Kathleen Lights, Soph, like Soph, she used to be like Soph Does Nails, she's Soph Does Life now. There's this one from UK I watched that's called Sophie Louise. There's this girl I watched from the UK called Sophie Louise. You know, and they're kind of, they're not smaller, like, I'm not trying to be like, oh, you know what I mean? I'm just trying to prove a point that, like, they're the ones that deserve, like, the 20 million followers, because they are, like, out here just doing, like, good stuff, and it's just because they're not in the drama that their name isn't brought up as much, so people kind of don't know them as much, you know? And I just think that's really sad, because we claim to hate drama, and then when there's drama, it's like, I feel like that's why I really try and stay away. Whenever there's drama, I kind of turn my head to it, because people know that drama sells, you know? So if drama doesn't sell anymore, there probably won't be any more drama, you know? If we were like, you know what, I'm like, you've been in too many scandals, drama is embarrassing, like, stop it, they probably would be like, okay, yeah. But while they're getting all these followers from the drama, it's never gonna stop. I'm just blending this out, but yeah, I don't know, sorry for the rant. No, it's not even a rant, I just feel like it's weird, like, I don't know, if we stopped giving or buying into the drama, there would be so much less of it, you know? But anyway, I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna cut my crease, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've cut my crease now, and I just used the P. Louise Basic in Touch of Frost, this really beautiful blue colour. So what I did is I just put it on like a normal, like I would with like my white base, so I just put it on like that. And then I've just kind of like blended it out to make sure it doesn't get any creasing, just with like a eyeshadow brush. Okay, so I think it looks really pretty. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this P. Louise Prime and Define in Your Glowing, and it's like a really pretty kind of like silvery gold kind of shade. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop some of that like in the middle of this. So I'm just kind of like making it I kind of took off the blue. Okay, that didn't work very well. That's annoying. So sad that I took off the blue shade. I mean, I could have set it with another blue eyeshadow, but I didn't really want to have to, you know. But anyway, that was what I was going for anyway, just a bit of like kind of glitter. I'm gonna blend this. I'm just gonna take off whatever colour is on here. I'm sad because this scarring didn't go how I thought it would, you know. But anyway, I'm just like blending it out now. Just like that. Okay. I kind of want to line this line. What colour should we do it? I was gonna take like my Urban Decay Heavy Metal, but do you reckon, is that too much glitter? Should I just go for like white? I feel like I'm gonna go for just white, to be honest. So I'm just going to take my NYX liner brush and I'll take my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00. I'll use that as a liner. Why have I done such a bad job of this today? I'm not gonna line the whole thing. Just leave it to like there, I reckon. Oh, okay, we're getting there. Alright, let's do some liner, some black liner. So for liner today, I'm gonna take my new favourite. It's the Too Faced Better Than Sex Liquid Liner. And I'm just gonna do a wing. My eyes are starting to water. I think they're sick of me touching them. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna clean my eyes up, put lashes on and everything, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I just went in with the SoJo Beauty lashes in Selena. Now let's do the rest of the face. Why is this not focusing? Okay. So for primer today, I'm gonna take the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I've used this so many times and I just still cannot decide if it's something I like or if I don't. I don't know. Because of the blue underneath and that glitter over the top, it turned like a really pretty green colour. It looks so nice. Alright. For foundation today, I'm going to take the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. I tried this out for the first time the other day and I really, really loved it. Oh, this is hurting me. Alright, anyway. So, taking this today. Mine is in the shade 20NN. It still has that weird smell. I mean, obviously, if that's the smell of the foundation, it's not gonna go away, but you know what I mean. I was really, really impressed with this the other day. It just looked so beautiful. It's going weird on my nose today. I didn't do this last time. See, this is why I feel like I don't think I like the Tatcha primer, because I just feel like something weird goes on when I use it. I don't know. Alright. Got that on now. For concealer, I'm going to take the Hourglass Vanish Concealer in Cotton, which is actually darker than my foundation. Whoops. Well, nothing I can do now. I'm gonna blend that. Beautiful. And then to set that, I'm just taking the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I wish my eyelash wasn't hurting, but I just cannot be bothered fixing it. You know? So, I feel like I'm just gonna suffer. Alright, I've set my concealer now. Just wish this wasn't hurting. Alright, I'm gonna have to stick it down, honestly, because it's hurting too much. Alright, to set the rest of my face, I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Complexion Powder in Almond. Just using that to set my face. And then I'm also going to go over that and take the Jacqueline Luminous Powder in Carrots, because I want a bit of a glow. I'm just going to stamp it around. Just gives such a nice finish to the skin. Did I use too much? honestly, it's so stunning. I'm gonna be so sad when I run out of this because it's limited edition and it's not on Morphe anymore, and I looked on the Jacqueline website and most of it's out of stock, so I'm like, I don't think they're doing a restock. And they're like my favourite highlighters in the world. Anyway, for bronzer today I'm going to take the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Nude Bronze Light. I love this bronzer, it's such a nice bronzer. It's so pretty. I feel like we should do a little bit of blush today, seeing as I've got orange on the eyes. I wonder if I can take my Fenty cream blush. No, that's not the vibe today anyway. So. I need something a lot more peachy. I'm going to take the Revolution blush palette in Hot Spice. I'm going to take this like shimmery orange one. It's really cute. Just a very small amount. That's enough. That's cute though. For highlight today, I'm going to take the Jacqueline Loose Highlighter in Bomb. Every time I use these, my heart just hurts because I'm like, please don't take them away from me. Look at it. Please, Jacqueline, don't do that. So pretty. Alright, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to take the Anastasia Loose Highlighter in Snowflake and put that on my inner corner. I've done this a couple times before and it just looks so nice. Doesn't that just add something to the look, don't you think? Like, just like the perfect finishing touch. Just like that. Alright. I'm gonna go off camera, do my hair, do my lips, and then I'll be back. Okay, this is the finished look. I just went in with the Anastasia lipstick in Sand. I feel like this is becoming like one of my favourite lipstick shades. I just think it's really nice. Anyway. This is the finished look. I actually really like the way it turned out. I feel like it looks so nice. I feel like I could go and do a photo shoot, you know? But yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you like these kind of sit down videos where I just play with makeup and stuff, I feel like they're really fun because I kind of have free reign and can do whatever I want. But yeah, let me know what videos you guys want to see in the future. But yeah, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!